Hello there and welcome to this chapter. This is words within words. So finding short words within longer ones can help you with spelling. So here we go. So we have the original word, which is brother, but we can make smaller words from brother. So broth could be one word. Rot could be another word. Other could be a third word. Her could be a word. The is a word. And her is another word. Sorry, he is another word. So we've got all these words here. So let's just write these down. So broth, rot, her, he, the, and other. So can you see how we can make words within words quite simply? And that's pretty much how it's done. So let's say, for example, we've got this word here, within. Let's find a word. Let's find some words that we can make from the word within. So we can make with. We can make in. Can you see that? And we can also make wit as another word. So wit means quick thinking. So just from the word within, we've just made 3 brand new words. And from the word brother, we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brand new words. Okay, so there you go. So why is this particular chapter important? Because finding short words within longer words can actually help you with spelling these words out as well. So try the rest of the questions and good luck with these, and we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.